Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: paired watch, same Apple ID, and current iOS/watch OS. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone and turn on Location Services and Motion and Fitness so the watch can record activity. Make sure Bluetooth is active and the watch has adequate charge. This prevents interruptions. Next, on the iPhone, go to Health and allow fitness tracking. Then open the Watch app to begin configuring activity settings. This sets the foundation for accurate data. Now configure the activity system itself. Open the Watch app and tap Activity to set your move calories, exercise minutes, and stand hours. These are your targets. Then go into the Health app and confirm age, height, weight, and dominant hand. Accurate personal data improves calorie and distance estimates. Make sure heart rate and wrist detection are turned on in the watch settings. Once enabled, the watch will automatically collect step, calorie, and heart rate data during daily routines and workouts. Finish by calibrating and validating the setup. Take a 20-minute outdoor walk with your iPhone and Apple Watch to calibrate motion and GPS for pace and distance. After that, start a workout on the watch and monitor live metrics to confirm steps, calories, and heart rate update correctly. If numbers look wrong, restart both devices, verify health and watch app permissions, and repeat a short calibration walk. This troubleshooting step resolves most tracking errors and ensures reliable activity data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.